Hi, good morning, students. Actually, I have seen phylum Hemichordata. Don't feel bored because daily we are discussing phylum. Why? Because there is a 11 phyla is there. So we don't have any way to do. That's necessary to study. Okay? Don't lose your interest on a subject. This is last phylum Chordata. In Chordata in Kannada, ಕಶೇರುಕಗಳು. ನಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಕಶೇರುಕಗಳು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಲಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ. ಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ occurrence first. Chordata presence in everywhere. Everywhere means what? Both land and terrestrial and water. ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, level of organization is organ system level of organization. Already you know what is the organ system level of organization. Organs are going to organized and its forms of system like digestive system, reproductive system, circulatory system, nervous system. Okay, organs are going to organized in form of systems. Next, symmetry. These are bilateral symmetry. These are basic terms, already you know, that's why I am not explaining in brief manner. Already number of times you know, number of times I told, right? That's why I am just orally I am saying. See, these are bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means if you cut the body from top to bottom, you will get two parts, one left and one right. That kind of divisible is called bilateral symmetry. Bi means nothing but two. Okay. Next, these are triploblastic animals. Triploblastic animals means three germ layers. If the three germ layers is present means these are triploblastic animals. What are they? Ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. These are the germ layers which present in chordata. That's the reason it comes under triploblastic animals. Next, these are coelomates. Coelom is nothing but body cavity. If the true body cavity is there means these are coelomates. Okay, body cavity present in this chordata, that's why these are the coelomates. Okay. Next, main important is silent features. Okay, these are the whatever I told you just now, those are basic terms about chordata. Now we'll go to see what individual characters, fundamental characters. See, there is mainly three fundamental characters is there. Notochord, nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits. And last one, post anal. See, these are the fundamental characters which present in chordata. Okay, we'll see one by one now. Notochord is there. See here, notochord is a rod-like structure. Notochord is a, this, see, observe this one. Notochord is a rod-like structure which presents dorsal surface of the body. Notochord is a rod-like structure where it will present dorsal surface. This is dorsal surface, this is ventral surface, where it will present dorsal surface of the body. See, notochord, first fundamental character is notochord. Notochord is a rod-like structure which present dorsal surface of the body. Okay, next, nerve cord. See, nerve cord is present above the surface of what? Notochord. This is nerve cord. This is notochord. On the surface of the notochord, nerve cord is present. See, on the surface of, above the surface of notochord, nerve cord is present. See, the anterior end is going to form a brain of the body of organism. Nerve cordina anterior ಮುಂದಿನ ಭಾಗ ಬ್ರೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. The anterior end of the nerve cord, it forms a brain. Okay, nerve cord, where it present? On the surface of the notochord, and anterior part will form a brain. Okay, next, pharyngeal gill slits. See, this is the pharynx. Pharynx in our body we call here pharynx. In these organisms, these are pharynx. So, whatever pharyngeal gill slits, see, small lines are there, right? These are pharyngeal gill slits. What is the main function of pharyngeal gill slits? Means for the respiration purpose. You may ask one question, sir, we have pharynx, but why don't have those gill slits? Right, am I right? See, pharynx, we also have pharynx, but only pharyngeal gill slits are present in these organisms. Why don't we have pharyngeal gill slits? Means, see, pharyngeal gill slits is main function for respiration. Mind it, this is one point. And where these organisms are going to present means in water. If the organism present in the water medium, in that water organisms, gill slits are used for what? Respiration. But our habitat is, our shelter is where? Terrestrial. So many years ago, we also had pharyngeal gill slits, but that is, we didn't use that properly. That's why it's extinct. So ಮೊದಲಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಜಿಯಲ್ ಗಿಲ್ ಸ್ಲಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೂ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಅದು ನಶಿಸಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ here is present internal pharynx. Internal ear is connected with pharynx. So that's the reason we don't have pharyngeal gill slits. have got. Why we don't have pharyngeal gill slits means this is a unfunctionable. ಅದು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ನಶಿಸಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ post anal is the last one. Post anal tail means what? See, post means what? Post is nothing but after. Pre means before. Post anal tail is present. Post anal means after the anal, after the anus, the tail-like structure is going to form. After the anus, tail-like structure is going to form. That is called post-anal tail. Post is nothing but after. Pre means before. Okay. Post-anal is present. Got it? Next. Circulatory system is closed type. Circulatory system means what? Blood flow. Closed means presence of blood will flow within the veins, arteries, blood capillaries. See, if the closed circulatory system, there is a presence of what? Veins, capillaries, arteries, right? There is no chance for cells and tissue directly bath in it. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಟಿಶ್ಯೂಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಬಾತ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇನ್ಸ್, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಥ್ರೂ ವೇನ್ಸ್, blood capillaries. So that's the reason here circular system is closed. Okay, see, these are the small brief information about chordate. See, already we are observed, just now we discussed about chordate. See, we'll see small comparison between what? Chordate and non-chordates. Okay? Difference between chordates and non-chordates. First one, in chordates, notochord is present. In chordate, notochord is present. In non-chordate, notochord absent. Okay, in chordate, notochord is present, but what about in non-chordate? Notochord is absent. Next, CNS, central nerve system is dorsal, halo and single. CNS is dorsal. CN is nothing but here central nerve system is dorsal. See, nerve cord is dorsal, and halo is nothing but free space, and single, only one idol, one there. What about non-chordata? CNS is ventral, solid and double. See, CNS is dorsal, halo and single. What about in non-chordata? CNS is ventral, solid and double. Okay, next. Post-anal tail is present where in chordata. Post-anal tail is present. What about in non-chordata? Post-anal tail is absent. Okay? Post-anal tail is present. Post-anal tail is absent. And what about heart? Heart is ventral. Heart is ventral. What about in non-chordates? Heart is dorsal. Okay, these are the main differences between chordata and non-chordata. Okay, comparison between chordata and non-chordata is, first one is notochord is present in chordata. In non-chordata, notochord is absent. CNS, central nerve system, is dorsal, halo and single. CNS is central nerve system in non-chordata, ventral, solid and double. Next, post-anal tail is present in chordata. Post-anal tail is absent in non-chordata. Heart is ventral in chordata. Heart is dorsal in non-chordata. These are the small comparison between, small differences between chordate and non-chordata. And next, further, on the basis of notochord, again chordate is divisible into three subphylums. We'll see now what are they. See, basis of notochord, I told you. On the basis of notochord, three subphylums. One, Urochordata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. These are the just chordate, okay? Three subphylums in chordates. On the base of what? Notochord. See, in Urochordata, notochord is only what? Larva stage. In the stage of larva, notochord is present in only tail region. In Urochordata, notochord is present in larva stage. In larva stage, where it will present? Tail region. Okay. Next, Cephalochordata. In Cephalochordata, notochord is throughout the life. Throughout the life means what? From birth to death. Notochord is present. From head region to tail region. See, in cephalochordata, notochord is present throughout the life from head region to tail region. Top to bottom, notochord is present. Okay? Where? In cephalochordata. What about vertebrata? In vertebrata, notochord present in embryonic stage. Notochord present in what stage? Embryonic stage. After developing, after adult, after developing that notochordata replaced by vertebral column. That notochord is replaced by vertebral column. Okay? See, on the basis of notochord, phylum Chordata again divisible into three subphylums: Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. In Urochordata, notochord is present in larva stage. In larva stage, where it will present? In tail region. Okay? In Cephalochordata, throughout the life, from death to born to death, where? From head to tail. Tಲೆಯಿಂದ tail ವರೆಗೂ notochord will be present. What about vertebrata? Vertebrata present in embryonic stage. After developing, that notochord is replaced by vertebral column. Okay, one word is there. All vertebrates are chordata, but all chordates are not vertebrata. Don't get confused. All vertebrates. Why? Because this is a subphylum of what? Chordata. So all vertebrates, whatever vertebrates will come, those are chordates. All chordates are not a vertebrates. Why? Because still two phylums are there, Urochordata and Cephalochordata. Those are not a vertebrates. That's the reason all chordates are not vertebrata, but all vertebrates are chordata. Okay? Important thing. Whatever vertebrates will come, whatever vertebrates is there, those are chordates. Why? Because this is a subphylum of chordate. But all chordates means what? Urochordata, Cephalochordata. Those also come, right? All chordates are not vertebrates. Urochordata is there, Cephalochordata. Those are not belong to vertebrates. Okay? That's important. Don't get confused. Okay? This is what? Three subphylum of what? Chordata. Next we will see vertebrata. Vertebrata again divisible into different stories there about vertebrata. We will see. This is the subphylum of vertebrata. Okay. Again, in vertebrata, two division. That one, first one, Ajnata. Second one, Gnata Stomata. See, Ajnata. Gnata is nothing but jaws. Here, lack of jaws. There is no jaws. Jaws is nothing but ದವಡೆಗಳು. In ಅಜ್ಞಾತ there is no jaws. ದವಡೆಗಳು ಇರಲ್ಲ. Okay. What about in ಜ್ಞಾತ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟ? It bears jaws. It bears a jaw. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದವಡೆಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಜ್ಞಾತೋಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟ divisible into two super class. This is division. Two division is there. Again this division into two super class. Super class 1 is Pisces and tetrapods. See, in Pisces bears fins, but here limbs. Pisces means what? Fishes. Tetrapods. Tetra is nothing but 4. 4 means poda. Arthropoda. Poda means what? Legs, appendages. Here limbs are going to bears. Okay. Next, here in Pisces, chondrichthyes, second one osteichthyes. What about in tetrapod? There is 4. Amphibian. 4 classes is there in tetrapods. Here 2 classes. Okay. In Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, aves and mammals. In vertebrata, 2 division is there. One agnata, one gnata stomata. Agnata means jawless. Okay, jawless. Here jaw bears, presence of jaws. In gnata stomata again divisible into 2 super class. One is Pisces and tetrapods. In again Pisces 2 classes are there. One chondrichthyes and osteichthyes. And in tetrapods 4 classes is there. One amphibia, reptilia, aves and mammals. Then what about agnata? There is no super class, direct class. One class is there. Cyclostomata. Only one class is there. There is no super class. That is cyclostomata. Okay. This is what flow chart of vertebrata. Tomorrow we will see in agnata first class cyclostomata and gnatostomata super class Pisces and tetrapods. Okay. See, in vertebrata notochord is present, right? This is very important. Vertebrate, this is what flow chart of vertebrata. Vertebrata in agnata and gnatostomata. In agnata there is no jaws. In gnatostomata that bears jaws. In agnata only one class is present, cyclostomata. In what about gnatostomata? 2 super classes are there. One Pisces and tetrapods. In Pisces 2 classes, chondrichthyes and osteichthyes. In tetrapods 4 classes, amphibians, reptilia, aves and mammals. Okay, this is what today class. We'll see tomorrow about class cyclostomata. and we'll discuss later superclasses and tetrapods. Okay, thank you.